This is the last type of looping in Java. That is called for loop. It has syntax of for, opening parenthesis, initialization, semicolon, condition, semicolon, iteration, then closing parenthesis, opening curly brace, then your block of code, and then the closing curly brace. To illustrate how this works, let us create the for loop version of our previous example in while and do while loop. Again, i-reuse ko lang ang class and I will comment out these lines of codes here. So for opening parenthesis, int number equal to 1, this is our initialization. Number less than equal to 1000, this is our condition. And number plus plus, this is our iteration. Closing parenthesis and then opening curly brace. Inside this block is system.out.print number plus double quote with the space. So again, this part here is initialization. This is condition and iteration. Let's run and check out the result. So as you can see, we have the same result from the while and do while program. So the code is read as number is initialized first, then condition is checked. If it derives to true, then this will print. Iterate the value of number variable by 1. And then test again the condition. If the result is true, then print, and then increment, and then print again, and then increment, and then test again the condition, and then print, and then iterate, then condition. Again, this will just print if the condition derives to true. So this will go on until the condition is false. So we have the same exact result. Paano naman if papalitan ko ang condition na to into greater than sign? So same sa while loop, walang output. Kasi false kaagad ang condition. Now what if you want to sum up the number 1 to 100? Let's use for loop for this one. Let's update the code into this. Int sum equal to 0. And then our code inside the for loop is sum plus equals number. Again, this is shorthand version, which is equivalent to sum equal to sum plus number. And then outside the for loop, we write system.out.print, the total is plus the sum variable. Now run your code. So the result is 5050. So this code means we initialize the variable sum into 0, and then in for loop, every time it loops, it will add the value of the number variable into the sum variable. Again, this one is shorthand version of sum equal to sum plus number. There are a lot more things you can do with loops. Explore and practice more. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.